How's it feel to be free again?
It feels good. I'm excited to start community service and focus on my work.
Behold, a brand new Lindsay Lohan yesterday. Finished with a 35-day house arrest and starting community service at a downtown women's center. Putting an end to the partying and planning on spending a quiet night at...
How's it feel to be back in the club, Lindsay?
Lindsay, how's it feel to be free?
Lindsay, how does it feel? Lindsay, you're glad to be free.
The nightclub? Are you freaking kidding?
She went out to Lexington Social House till 2 in the morning.
What is Lexington Social House?
It's like a house where people are social. Think like where Lilo did her time.
There is a huge crowd waiting for her. She's trying to kind of shield her eyes, and she takes a little stumble.
Glad to be free.
I think it's because of the cameras, but everybody else just starts yelling. I kind of feel bad for her.
We can tell. But should we?
She's been in the house for 35 days.
She's stupid. If she's really trying to change her image and trying to get all these directors and actors to feel confident in working with her again, stay at home and chill the out.
Go out on Venice Beach, where there's no cameras that are going to find you. I do some shenanigans out at the beach.
So, Lilo, the choice is yours. Quit partying, stay home, and save your career. Or check out the beach. Shenanigans welcome.